How to fix Commonwealth Bank login problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Commonwealth Bank login problem. So this problem happens due to various reasons. So in this video, I'll simply list out some of them. And once you do all of this, your problem will most probably be fixed. So first of all is definitely updating your Commonwealth Bank app. To do that, go to your Play Store or App Store. Simply type in CommBank or Commonwealth Bank and then make sure it says open instead of update. Now, as you can see, it says update, meaning my app is not up to date. So this may be the reason why your account isn't being logged on. So first of all, try updating your app. Now, once the app has been updated, simply open it and then try logging in. Now you have two different ways on how you can log into your Commonwealth Bank account. First one is using your Face ID or your fingerprint or your biometrics, whatever you've set up. Or the second one is simply entering your PIN. Now, if you don't have these, you'll have to basically enter your NetBank ID, your client password, and all of those details. Now, if your account is not being logged on, the problem may be that you don't exactly remember your password or the password you're entering is incorrect. So what you can do to fix that is basically go to forgot password, enter your card number, your card pin, and once you've done all those steps, you can simply reset your password. And once you have a new password set up, you can simply log into your account. And similarly goes for the pin as well. You may be entering the wrong pin. That's why you may not be able to log into your account. Now you can simply tap on the option forgotten pin and reset that as well. Now, once you've done all of those processes, you will have successfully logged into your Commonwealth Bank account and your Commonwealth Bank login problem will be solved. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.